Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. In this video, we will discuss some important questions related to general agriculture which will be very important for the upcoming agri competitive exams like FCI, IBPS, AFO and many more. So, without any delay, let's start this session. Question number first, the classic symptoms it is observed when the rice plant is attacked by. The options are blast, brown spot, bacterial leaf blight, sheet blight, and answer is option C. The classic symptoms it is observed when the rice plant it is attacked by bacterial leaf blight. The causal organism for bacterial leaf blight it is Xanthomonas oryzae, and its classic symptoms it is mainly seen in the nursery stage. Moving towards question number second, the scientific name of Marconi wheat. The options are Triticum aestivum, Triticum durum, Triticum longicef, none of these. And the correct answer it is option B, Triticum durum. The scientific name of Marconi wheat it is Triticum durum, which is a very old best wheat for drought conditions or under restricted irrigations. Question number third, NABARD was set up on the recommendation of Shivaraman Committee, Narasimhan Committee, Hazare Committee, D.R. Gadgil Committee, and the correct answer it is option A, Shivaraman Committee. So the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, which was established on 12th of July 1982, was set up on the recommendation of Shivaraman Committee. Question number 4. The dark reaction of Calvin cycle takes place in. The options are thylakoid, stroma, chryset, fretwork, and answer is option B, stroma. So the dark reaction of Calvin cycle it takes place in stroma. Question number 5. Which of the following antibiotic it is produced from bacteria? The options are penicillin, bacitracin, tetracycline, neomycin, and the correct answer it is option B. So bacitracin it is the antibiotic which is produced from bacteria. Moving towards question number 6, the hard fruits of citrus is due to the deficiency of. The options are nitrogen, phosphorus, boron, calcium, and answer is option C. The hard fruits of citrus it is mainly due to the deficiency of boron. Question number 7. The percentage of fresh water on the earth is. The options are 3%, 5%, 71%, 1%, and the correct answer it is option A. So 3% of fresh water on the earth is available. Question number 8. The proportion of sand, silt and clay it is called as. The options are structure, texture, density, consistency, and answer is option B. So the proportion of sand, silt and clay it is called as soil texture, right? Question number 9. The seedless mango variety is. The options are Malika, Ratna, Sindhu, Amrapali, and answer is option C. So the seedless mango variety it is Sindhu. Question number 10. The center of origin of wheat is Turkey, Mexico, Brazil, USA, and answer is Turkey, or you can keep in mind the center of origin of wheat it is Southwest Asia. Question number 11. Botanically, pineapple is a. Options are Psoriasis, Balustra, berry, pome, and answer is option A. Botanically, pineapple it is a Psoriasis fruit. Question number 12. The RKYV was launched during the year of. The options are 2007, 2009, 2012, 2008, and the correct answer it is option A, 2007. So the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana it was launched during the year of 2007. Question number 13. IRDP was launched in the year of. The options are 1977, 1978, 1979, 1980, and the correct answer it is option B, that is 1979. The Integrated Rural Development Program which it was launched in the financial year of 1978 and it was extended throughout India by 1980. Question number 15. The basic input of agriculture is fertilizers, seeds, irrigation, none of these, and the correct answer it is option B. So the basic input of agriculture it is seed. Moving towards the last question, the late sown variety of wheat is. Options are Sonalika, Arjun, Hira, Sonara 64, and the correct answer it is option A. So the late sown variety of wheat it is Sonalika. So friends, this was all about the 15 questions related to general agriculture. We will come up with more such videos based on general agriculture. So stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.